Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It has been a while, guys. As you can hear, the cicadas are out. I had taken a couple weeks off to deal with some stuff in my life and my job, but I cleaned the shop out, guys, and I recently assembled my brake drums, and then we had another things we've done since I last left you guys is we had painted all the subframe pieces right here on the other side, so we can get ready to accept the rear swing arms and the cap. We re-drilled out all these holes. We re-tapped them, and most of them came out okay. Some we're gonna have to put nuts behind it. We're gonna cover this up right here, these patches on both sides for now, and we're gonna paint over that. But today's focus, guys, again, are the A-arms. Putting these polyurethane A-arm bushings in here. That's what we're doing today, guys. This is the one for my model. This is the IRS A-arm assembly. So today, we're gonna take this little brush right here, plastic little wire wheel, and we're gonna clean up around here, get all this POR15 out of here, so we can get ready to use the rebuild kit and also get the bearings ready to be greased and installed back in here. And then up front, we're just going to clean all this up right here on both sides, on both the A-arms, and we're going to insert our polyurethane bushings in there so they're ready to go when we install this on the car. That's everything up to the minute, guys. I found them. Here are my bump stops. I might have to shave them down because I'm lowering the bug, but here are the bump stops right now. I might have to shave them and then recap them with some type of urethane. I might even have to cut them down real short, but if I have to, I'll cut them down and I'll seal the center. But that's the factory bump stops. But I might need to shorten them again, like I said. Hopefully not, but I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to. That's just where I'm at. Alright, we pretty much got these on. Here's the polyurethane A-arm bushings right here on the A-arms. The stakes are high, guys. Trying to get the bump stop on the trailing arm, or the A-arm, whatever you want to call it. It is a pain in the ass. Oh, got it. Oh, goodness. That was more pain than it's worth, I think. Make sure it's all the way on there. It's at least on there. I don't know if it's all the way on there, but it's on there. That is a pain in the bung. You can do it by yourself, but it's a pain. Some soap. Should do it. A little bit right here too. That's hard. I'm getting grease on my finger. Don't put your finger in that hole, I guess. There you go. I'm about to move you guys over here. I don't trust it. Ah, you fucking cunt. Alright guys, before it gets dark, we're wrapping up the night. I skipped all the clips. The polyurethane bump stops are hard to get on. Very hard, for me at least. I use a lot of soap, and I did drill them out a little bit to make it easier, just because it's a pain by yourself. So I did drill them out a little bit. I think it was this one that I had to drill out a little bit. Helped me get it on. That one I didn't really drill out that much. These guys, I got as close as possible for now, so we can start at least fitting them on there. They're not perfect. We used a vise to put them in there, but I feel like once we get them in there and squish it up, it'll tighten her down a little bit, get her nice and flush. So right now it's got a little bit of a ridge, but it's okay. We can always go back and fix it later. That's it, guys. That's my progress for today. Thank you. For you guys out there that are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This is my 1974 Project Beetle. I've replaced a lot of stuff on this car with me and my dad. And so, yeah, if you watch it and you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm always down to answer questions or to have conversations with people on here. So, yeah.